நேசி கொஞ்சம் கேமரா விட்டு வெளில வா.
Just spend me 5 minutes, okay? It's going to be very important topic. Just listen to me 5 minutes, okay? This is going to be the future.
நேசிகா
So, I would like to start my presentation with a quote, right? So the opportunities that everyone can't see are the real opportunities. This was said by Jack Ma, and he is a true fan of BlockChain, and I am a fan of Jack Ma. So I think I found an opportunities that you guys can't see, right? So next slide, please. So hello friends, myself Balamurugan, and I am from KPR, and I am the founder of BlockHub community at KPR. So you may have the question, right? Where is the topic? There is no topic, right? It's a question mark. What does it mean? So I don't want to reveal the topic right now, okay? I just want to reveal the topic as a solver for the problem. So just wait for it. We'll first explain about the problems and then we'll move on to the solutions. Next slide, please. So if I want to send money to my friend, okay? So I'm going to use any kind of third-party applications like GPay, PhonePe, right? So the problem here is the data is being then centralized, okay? It is being owned by an organization. So if the organization plans to use our data, our private data, they can use it without our permission. So there is a critical, a data privacy issue is going on. What if I saw the same thing can be done without a third-party interference with the help of with the help of BlockChain? The hero of the day is here. Like next slide. So what comes to your mind when I say BlockChain? Any answers, any points, whether it's right or wrong, it's a secondary thing. So any answers? What do you know about BlockChain? Any points? Yeah, come on guys. Right, alright, I will explain. Next slide please. The blockchain is a shared immutable ledger that facilitates a process of recording transactions and tracing the assets of the business. This is very complicated. I understand. I will explain you like how blockchain works. So it is a decentralized networks, peer-to-peer, right? So if you are a part of the network, I too own a copy of your data. So that's what the blockchain is all about. So let's first discuss about the architecture of the blockchain. Next slide. Yeah. Next slide. So this is how the supply chain looks like without a blockchain, right? So this is how the web 2.0 works. So as a user, I connect with the web browser in order to talk with the front end. This front end talks directly with the two things. One is the server and then the database, right? So the server holds the logic of the application and the database holds the necessary data for an application. So what's the problem? As I said before, the data is being centralized by a database, right? By an organization. So if this organization plans to use this their customers' data, they can use it. Without our permission, they can use our private records. So it's a wrong thing, right? So next slide. Excuse me, next slide. So this is how we're going to implement the supply chain with a blockchain. So there is no any centralized servers or database. Everything is going to be seamlessly decentralized with the help of blockchain. Next slide. So this is how the implementation of supply chain looks like with a blockchain, right? As a user, with the help of the crypto wallet, we're connecting with the web browser in order to make the web browser a crypto compatible. So what's mean by crypto wallet? So it's like a same wallet. In our physical wallet, we used to store currencies, right? The same like the crypto wallet is a wallet which is used to store the cryptocurrencies, digital assets, which are used for transacting, okay, in an application. So this front end, usually we are developed with the front end frameworks like React.js, Vue.js, Angular or something, right? So I usually go with React.js. So this front end directly speaks with the blockchain, okay? Inside the blockchain, we are going to deploy a project, okay, a program which is known as the smart contract. It's usually like built with the help of the Solidity programming language. It is a statistically type, okay? So can I ask a question, right? So raise your hands if you're familiar with Python. If you're familiar with Python, write an answer. I'm not going to ask any questions. Raise your hands if you're familiar with Python. Right. So if you're familiar with Python, it's very easy to get into Solidity, okay, which is a programming language to write the smart contract. So what is this IPFS? Like, whenever you make a change in the blockchain, you have to pay a transaction fee, which is very gas. So it's not practically possible to deploy a whole image or metadata directly through the blockchain. So this IPFS comes to IPFS stands for Internet File System, which is used to store the images. Right, in a
ನಾನು ಅದ
decent
ಹೊರ್ತೇನು
place.
ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್
Sounds
ಆಗಿ
similar
ಅప్పుడు
to blockchain,
தெரியாது
but it's more or less similar to blockchain.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ
Right, next level. So it's not about ideas. It's about making the ideas happen, right? So next level. My project Hiba, which is an e-commerce website completely powered by blockchain. Okay, there's no any centralized service. Next level. So let's see a demo of it, how it works, right? Next level. So this is how the interface of my website looks like. Okay, e-commerce website application. So as I said before, with the help of the MetaMask, you have to connect with the application, right? You have to connect with the crypto wallet. Next level. So here you can see the address of the wallet. So it's like an identity in your blockchain, right? So next slide. So here you can see the video. I'm deploying the smart contract, and here you can see I'm connecting with the MetaMask, right? Yeah. So when I click on the buy now button, it makes an order. So it makes a confirmation through the MetaMask. So when I click on the confirmer, the Ethereum is transferred to the smart contract, okay, which can be extracted by the owner afterwards. Right? So you can see I'm verifying it. That's the timestamp. Right? So next one. So apart from these projects, I'm also doing research and development in the field of blockchain and AI. We all know like AI is booming right now, and we have to be a part of the AI in order to serve in this field, right? So after a lot of researchers, I came up with a project, right? Next slide.
எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு
So which is an
இவங்கிட்டலாம்
AI
கேள்வி கேட்க
with
மாட்டேன்
blockchain. So what we
அவனுக்கே
do
தெரியாது
is, hope you know about stable diffusion, right? Whenever you give a description in a form of text, it converts into images. So this generated image is then minted into NFT with the
And the
help of the
bomba
blockchain. So this is how you can integrate A with the
காதினி
blockchain. Right? Here you can
Thank
see,
you.
like previously. So here you can see I have given the name of the NFT and the description of the NFT, man with a monkey face card. So this is completely generated by AI, and with the help of this button, we are going to mint it, okay, as an NFT with the help of blockchain. Next. So, so if you're really interested in Web 3.0 blockchain, and if you want to work with me, I have a lot of ideas to work on. So if you're really interested, head over to this profile, LinkedIn profile, and drop a message. You will be soon added to our community. And my main motive is we don't have awareness about Web 3, right? So we want to make a strong community, especially in Tamil, for Tamils. Right? So next slide. So thank you all. Blockchain welcomes you all. Thank you.